Hi guys, this is Lynn. Here I am in Kamawela on the Big Island, Kohala Ranch Road, installing some Bali 2-inch real wood blinds. I had to miter a corner because it was a corner window, which was a ton of fun for me. But anyway, that's what these 2-inch real wood blinds look like. They're light, they're beautiful, they smell nice, they give you privacy, and they also let airflow in. So if you're looking to purchase some real wood blinds or 2-inch wood blinds, the Bali 2-inch real wood blinds are great. Well, hope you liked the video. Give us a call. The Blind Guy Services. Thank you.